Hello. Today we're going to talk about your why. I want you to remember your why for decluttering. Why do you want to declutter your house? Do you want a streamlined house? Do you want peace in your life? Do you want to know where things are? Do you want to feel that sense of relief that everything is in its place? Well, those are my whys, and those are the whys that I teach, but you might have some others as well. So think about why you want your house decluttered. Why? And then declutter. I'm not asking you to declutter for 3 hours a day. I'm not asking you to declutter for an hour a day. I'm not even asking you to declutter for a half hour a day. I'm asking you to declutter for 15 minutes a day, 4 days a week, not 5, not 6, not 7, 4 days a week. Complete the process and do 3 clutter stops a day. Now, if you're payroll, I am asking you to do 1 hour on Saturday morning, but that's it. That's why. Make it a great day.